Ready to transform your photos and give them that extra pop. Let's dive into adding borders in Adobe Photoshop. First, you'll need your image open. We will start with the simplest method, adding a uniform border. Go to the image at the top, then select canvas size. This is where the magic happens. See width and height. Increase these values to add your border. Make sure the relative box is checked. For example, add 20 pixels to both width and height for a basic border. Next, choose your anchor where the border will be added. Like which sides do you want to add a border to? Then select the color of your border. In the canvas extension color drop-down menu, click OK to apply. There you go. Instantly a border on the entire image. Want more control? The next method is using the stroke effect, which is in Layer Styles. Go to the Layers panel. Right-click on your image layer and select Blending Options or Layer Styles. In the Layer Style panel is a wide range of options. There is a stroke option. Select it now. You can customize your border further. Set the size. You can select the border's position outside, inside, or center. Now, look at those options. You can change the fill type to color to just change its color and style of the border. Click OK. And there you have it. You added a border using the stroke method. These simple techniques will take your photo from basic to a framed masterpiece. Go ahead and explore different sizes, colors, and styles to create a signature look. Happy editing!